Want to grow your money with crypto trading? These 3 rules are a must. And yes, there's a hidden promo code with a nice bonus waiting at the end. Jane tried everything to predict crypto: candles, moon phases, even coffee grounds. But no matter what she tried, she kept losing money. Then she learned how 3 simple rules could change everything. Rule 1, use leverage smartly. Leverage isn't dangerous, it's a tool. And in quiet, sideways, low volatility markets, it's often the only realistic way to make meaningful profit. Start with moderate leverage, 5 to 10 times to protect your account. Once you understand risk management, higher leverage becomes a strategy, not a gamble. Rule 2, stop loss on every trade. If you're a beginner, you must use it. It's your emergency brake. One bad move shouldn't wipe your account. Yes, advanced traders sometimes trade without it, but that's not for beginners. Rule 3, set your take profit in advance. You lock in gains before the market reverses. Quick tip, keep your risk reward at least 1 to 2. In practice, that means this: your stop loss is 1 part and your take profit is 2 parts. When Jane stopped guessing and started following a system, everything changed. Now Jane's account is actually growing. Want the same upgrade? Watch our videos and subscribe.